Hi you guys, Miss Sanderlin here, and let's go over what you need to look at, what you need to do for your assignment. So if you go into lesson 7, day 4, there's an assignment folder there, click on that, and it should say density dilemma. You can open that, and go ahead and open your document when you get there, and it should look like this when you open it. So what we're trying to do for this assignment, if you read the directions, there's a top secret sales company that's trying to make a new cup holder phone thing that can float your phone in the pool without getting it wet, so it has to be waterproof. There are 3 different materials that it's going to be made out of, and your job is to figure out why each prototype has managed to float or sink by looking at and calculating their mass, volume, and density. So in the first table, you need to calculate volume, and I gave you the equations for mass, volume, and density. Make sure you're showing your work. That's why there's space for calculations on the bottom. The second trial, you have to calculate density with the volume and the mass that you're given and tell me whether or not it sinks or it floats when you look at the density of water and the density of the material. And again, there's more space for calculations. So for your reflection, I want you to answer those 3 questions. What happened when the volume or mass was changed for each material? Which material will be best for the flotation device and why? And what could have changed about each trial or material that could have made each material float? So on the bottom, I have your rubric, so you know exactly what I'm looking for. So as long as you fully complete your assignment, you do your calculations and you use the formulas that were given. Your explanations are complete explanations. They make sense and they use the evidence from your trials. So you use your work and you're referencing the tables in the trials and you're filling in both data tables and you have all the formulas. You should get full credit. You can use your notes from the last couple of days on this. Actually, I recommend that you use your notes from the last couple of days on this. So if you don't have those notes copied down, it would be a good idea to go back and copy those notes first before you do this assignment and turn it in. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be sure to help you.